today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start taking down all of these panels, and then I do have a box of Kilmat that we're going to be putting on the panels once we take these off, and then we'll begin a little bit of insulation before we start the framing. So let's go ahead and take these off, and because this is a new van, no special tools required. We're just going to use a screwdriver and pry some of these little rib nuts off, and hey, we're going to get going. Let's do it. Alright, so to take these off, we're just going to stick a screwdriver in there, pull that out, and that pops out just like so. And then I have a little bag that I'll be putting these in, because you never know when we might need these in the future. So let me go ahead and remove all of these, and we'll start taking these panels off. Panels are down except for the doors. We'll save those for last. But yes, so now we'll go ahead and put some Kilmat over these areas, the big panels, and get it quieted down in here a little bit, and also up here on the ceiling, and that'll be our next task. So let me clean up my mess. So I do have a big pile of paneling, which if nobody wants, it's going to have to go into the dump because I won't need it any longer. And then I've got this pile here, mess, and all this paper crap I found down inside of here, probably when they peeled to stick the foam on. And I don't know if there's any down in here. Oh yeah, nice little mess in there, so I'll have to clean that out. Alright, so let me get all that cleaned up, and swept out, and then we'll get the box of Kilmat going. Alright, now that we got everything kind of cleaned up, I set me a little table here, and I've got my little box of Kilmat I purchased off of Amazon, and I bought 50 square feet, which I think is more than enough for this van. And comes in these little nice sheets here, and we're going to go ahead and get ready to do this wall. Now I've already done the other wall, and I'll give you a look at that here in just a second. So basically all I'm going to need is my Kilmat, a utility knife, and a roller, and may or may not need a tape measure. So let's get ready and install the Kilmat on this side. Let me show you what I've done to the other side, and we're just going to mirror what we did. Let's take a look. So basically all I did was take the Kilmat, and one sheet at a time, and placed it on the wall and rolled it out, and then cut smaller pieces down here at the bottom. You don't have to outline the whole area. It's just enough to deaden the sound here on the metal. Sounds pretty good. It's got that hollow bang to it. Nice and quiet. So we are going to start over here, and we are going to fill in our areas with our Kilmat, and then we will kind of do the ceiling a little bit. And once we get a Kilmat everywhere, then whatever's left over, we're just going to go ahead and fill spots until we use up the Kilmat, or until I get tired of putting it on. So let's do it. I am happy to say that my ceiling is now done. So fan goes there and fan goes there, and we have Kilmat everywhere else, and it is nice and quiet for a metal box. Walls are done. So next, a couple pieces on the wheel well just to silence that up, and then I think I have enough left to do the doors. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5, 6, and that leaves me 4 pieces left over that I can do my wheel wells. Sweet, 50 square feet. That is tight. Alright, we'll get the wheel wells done and the doors will come later, and then we can start maybe doing a little insulation. Alright, so we do have one wheel well done, and next we'll go ahead and finish this one, and then we're ready to start the insulation. So let's go ahead and get all this Kilmat on our wheel well, and it does quiet it down quite a bit. Let's see if I tap on that, you hear that ringing noise, and over here, nice and quiet. Yeah, so that Kilmat works pretty good. So let's go ahead and get it on that. So what is left is a little bit of Kilmat on the doors, the top, and on the bottom, and on the side slider. So we'll do those later, and probably won't video that because it's going to be the same as everything else. And next I'm going to plan out the installation. So I have a choice in mind, and got to wait on some materials. So this will be a slow process because we have to order everything and it takes time to get here. So I think that is going to be a wrap for this video. So thanks for watching, and hope you stay tuned because we're going to turn this into something really nice, and hope you stay till the end. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned.